If you're having trouble with voice chat in Elden Ring, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. This guide will help you identify and resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your settings. Ensure that your voice chat settings are correctly configured in the game. Go to the audio settings and verify that voice chat is enabled and that the correct input and output devices are selected. Step 2. Test your microphone. Make sure your microphone is working properly. You can do this by testing it in another application or using your system's sound settings to check if it's picking up sound. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, voice chat issues can be resolved with patches that fix bugs or improve functionality. Check for updates through your gaming platform. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor network connection can affect voice chat functionality. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection for better stability. Step 5. Restart the gaming console/PC. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming device can resolve issues. Close Elden Ring completely, restart your console or PC, and then launch the game again to see if the voice chat works. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with voice chat in Elden Ring. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.